camper friends. So today I'm introducing you to PUZZFUXX. This is a cleaning cloth which is of an organic fiber, and that's a major difference to the standard microfiber cloths we typically use for cleaning our camper vans, surfaces, etc. The amazing thing about PUZZFUXX is, as it is of a organic fiber, it actually destroys the surface tension of water, similar to soap. So you don't need to use any soap in your cleaning process. You just need to use one of these cloth pieces. And we have different colors and sizes. This one is for your glasses, and then we have different ones. Here's a glove to clean yourself and wipe off your makeup, for instance. And with the help of Camper Thomas, thank you very much, hi Thomas, we're going to show you how this works. And Thomas has actually driven today to this wonderful campground here in Hanover, Birkensee, and he was driving about 770 kilometers last night and today. And we are now showing you, as he was driving through rain, etc. His car was a little bit dirty. It's not actually dirty, but enough for showing you the effect of the organic clothing here.
Enough dirty.
Yeah, I guess so. If we look on the side door, etc., we can probably see a bit here. Yeah, you can see it here. And we leave it now to Thomas to clean up his car and show you how it works. What you basically do, you have a cloth which is typically very light, it's a few grams, and then you basically put it into the water. You see, it's clean water, there's no soap inside, and we just put it in and it immediately sinks as it destroys the surface tension. We can now take it out, wring it out just slightly. You don't need to really wrench it. And once you've done that, you can actually proceed with cleaning.
Weißt du, was jetzt sein kann? Dass mir hier die Politur hochzieht. 100%.
You think it will kill the wax? Yeah, maybe. It looks very, very nice, very clean. Now look on this. The cloth is actually already pretty dirty. And if you look now on the cloth, look at this here, how dirty that is. Now show us, yeah, wiping down here. Okay. Yeah. Also on the plastic surface. And now look on the cloth, how dirty it is. Zeig mal. You can see a lot of dirt in there.
Yes.
And on the other side was even more, I think. Yeah, here you can see. Now we put it back into the water. And the amazing thing, what happens now is the cloth actually releases the dirt into the water because it destroyed the tension. And you see how easy it comes off. Now if we look now on the organic fiber again, you can actually see it looks like new. Komm in den Schatten hier, genau. Yeah, and you can really see it looks like new, as we never used it before. It's fantastic. And it doesn't smell at all, even after several weeks or months of usage. Once it has released the dirt into the water, it actually doesn't smell. And if you look, for instance, a microfiber cloth, which we typically use, you throw them in the bin after a few weeks of usage because they start to smell really, really bad. And this is fantastic. I mean, it looks like a full cleaning service here.
Yes.
Professional cleaner. And you can use it for everything on the car. For the painted metal, for the plastic bumpers, even for the acrylic windows. And it even takes off the killed bugs and flies with ease. Maybe you just leave it a bit on the dent, on the dirt, and then just wipe it off. I mean, you see Thomas is hardly using any force on the surface. Yeah, really nice, fantastic. If we now look on the headlights, once we clean that here, and it's similar to the rear windows, for instance. It's absolutely no power. And now we can use a dry cloth and then just dry it off. Really looks good now. So once again, this is PUZZFUXX, and you can order it on the link below the video. And thank you very much for that. Thank you for your attention. If you like that video, please subscribe, leave a like, and turn on the bell. Thank you very much and have a great day. See you next time.